now go ahead and talk about the best response function. Best response function is nothing but what is the, as the word suggests, what is the action chosen by player I given the action of player J. ठीक है, तो प्लेयर J के एक्शन देते हुए अगर आप मुझे बोलो जैसे हमने अभी तक किया कि the other player is not contributing to public good, then what will player I do? Yeah, the other player is contributing to public good. What will player I do? So what is the action that player I takes given the action of other player? That is called as the best response of player I. Okay. When each player plays their best response, then the answer that we get is called as Nash equilibrium. Nash equilibrium is each player going ahead and playing their best response. ठीक है, तो player 1 का Nash equilibrium क्या होगा? When he plays his best response given the action of player 2. Given the action of player 2. और प्लेयर 2 का Nash equilibrium क्या होगा? प्लेयर 2 का बेस्ट रिस्पॉन्स गिवन द एक्शन ऑफ प्लेयर 1. एंड व्हेन बोथ ऑफ देम आर प्लेइंग देयर बेस्ट रिस्पॉन्स, अगर दोनों ही बेस्ट रिस्पॉन्स खेल रहे हैं, then that becomes a Nash equilibrium. Let me give you one example to it. So read this out first. The action AI of player I is called best response of player I if player gets more utility from that action holding the action of other players constant. मतलब वो जिससे maximum utility पा सकता है, the action that that player will do given the action of the other player, that will be the best response, right? Okay, the action profile AI is Nash equilibrium with ordinal preferences if and only if each player is playing best response. जब सारे प्लेयर्स अपना अपना बेस्ट रिस्पॉन्स खेलते हैं, then the action that we go ahead and get, that becomes the Nash equilibrium. ठीक है, let's take some examples बेटा. Verify for prisoner's dilemma. Suppose I tell you that player 2 is playing quiet. Is playing quiet. What is the best response of player 1? Best response of player 1 given player 2 plays quiet? Whatever gives him maximum payoff. Compare the number before comma. 2 या 3? 3. So his best response is think. Suppose I tell you player 2 thinks. What is the best response of player 1 given player 2 thinks? Compare the number before commas. 0 या 1? 1. नंबर बिफोर कॉमा क्यों? क्योंकि हम प्लेयर 1 का बेस्ट रिस्पॉन्स निकाल रहे हैं, माने think. माने think, right? So the best response of player 1 is to think whatever be the action of player 2. Either I just want to introduce a term. The term is called as dominant strategy. What is a dominant strategy? Any strategy which the player does not change given the action of the other player. अगर एक player अपने action को नहीं बदलता जब बाकी players अपने action को बदलते हैं, then that is called as dominant strategy. What is that called? It is called as dominant strategy. तो देखो, when player 2 was quiet, तभी भी best response player 1 का था think. When player 2 was thinking, तभी भी best response player 1 का था think. So his best response is unchanged. There is no change in the best response of player 1. When player 2's strategy is changing, so we can say that thinking is a dominant strategy of player 1. So think is dominant strategy. This means that quiet becomes a dominated strategy. उसके ऊपर वो dominate कर रहा है. अब बेस्ट रिस्पॉन्स दोबारा निकालते हैं. लेट्स फाइंड आउट. ठीक है. नाउ व्हाट आई कैन डू बेटा, now I am asking, suppose player 1 goes for quiet. What is the best response of player 2 when player 1 goes for quiet? So you will go ahead and compare the number after comma, क्योंकि अब हमें best response player 2 का निकालना है, right? So after comma means 2 or 3. 3. Best response of player 2 when player 1 will think, that means this. Compare the number after comma. Player 2 के best response निकालना है, 0 or 1. 1. That means think. Think क्यों? This is corresponding to this. This is corresponding to this. The best response of player 2 when player 1 is quiet is to think. The best response of player 2 when player 1 thinks is to think. Because best response of player 2 doesn't change when player 1 changes his strategy. Therefore, it is dominant strategy. और if you will notice, यही तो हमारा नैश आया था, जो दोनों का बेस्ट रिस्पॉन्स बनता है. Think, think. This was the नैश. तो this is what we were saying here, कि अगर एक के नैश के लिए दूसरे का बेस्ट रिस्पॉन्स निकले और दूसरे के नैश के लिए इसका बेस्ट रिस्पॉन्स निकले, so these are our Nash equilibrium, right? When he is thinking, other person is thinking. When other person is thinking, first is thinking. So this turns out to be the Nash equilibrium. Another example. Let's do it for matching pennies. ठीक है, try to find the best response बेटा. यहाँ पे हम करेंगे player 1 का. Here I will do for player 2. Best response of player 1 when player 2 plays head. Best response for player 1 when player 2 plays head. Compare the number before comma, क्योंकि player 1 का निकाल रहे हो. So compare 1 and -1. Between 1 and -1, 1 is greater. Mark this. That means player 1 will go for head. Right? Player 1 will go for head. Now, what will be the best response of player 1 when player 2 goes for tails? That means this. Compare the number before comma, -1 or 1. This is greater. 1 is greater. And 1 corresponds to tail. 1 corresponds to tail. Is there any dominant strategy? No. When player 2 changed his action, when we changed the action of player 2, best response of player 1 changed. Therefore, no dominant strategy. No dominant strategy. ठीक है. अब हम player 2 का best response निकालेंगे. So we hold the action of player 1 constant at head and we find the best response of player 2. Compare the number after comma. -1 या 1? 1. That means she's going for tails. Best response for player 2 when player 1 goes for tail. Compare the number after comma. 1 or -1? 1. That means head. Therefore, no dominant strategy. Now, the best response changes. The best response is not constant. It goes from head to tail and tail to head. There is no dominant strategy. What about Nash equilibrium? No, Nash equilibrium कहीं पे भी दोनों जगह पे आपको क्या lines दिख रही हैं? नहीं. यहाँ पे यहाँ आ रही है, यहाँ आ रही है, यहाँ आ रही है, यहाँ आ रही है. So there is no Nash equilibrium of this game. No Nash equilibrium of this game. Clear? Let us try to go ahead and take another example. Okay. So this is 2-player and 3-action game. Right? So take this 2 players, player 1 and player 2. 3 actions: top, middle, bottom, left, center, right. What do you have to do, beta? 1. Find Nash equilibrium. Find dominant strategy, if any. Find best response of each player. Let's start. I'll start with the third part. Find best response of each player. ठीक है? तो देखो जरा ध्यान से. I am holding action of player 1 at top. What will be best response of player 2? Compare the number after comma. So 2, 1 or 0 में 2. That means left. Best response of player 2 when player 1 goes for middle. Compare the number after comma between 1, 1 and 0, 1 and 1. So both left and center. What is the best response of player 1 when player 2 when player 1 goes for bottom? Compare the number after comma between 1, 0 and 2. 2 is greater. That means it is right. The action best response of player 2 changes when player 1's action is changing. जब हमने player 1 का action top से bottom किया तो player 2 left से right चला गया. Right? So his action is changing as action of other player changes. So there is no dominant strategy of player 2. अब best response player 1 के निकालते हैं. Let's say player 2 is going for left. Compare the number before the comma for player 1. So 1, 2 या 0. What is great? 2. That means middle. Now, suppose player 2 goes for center. What is highest? 2, 0, 0, 2. That means top. Suppose player 2 goes for right. Compare the number after before the commas. 1 and 1. So that means top and bottom. When player 2 changes his strategy, player 1 also changes his strategy. So there is no dominant strategy of player 1. What are the Nash? Wherever you see both colored, that means this is your first Nash and this is your other Nash. So we see that there are 2 Nash equilibrium. One is going to be middle, right, left, and other is going to be bottom right. Okay, take it. This is the homework question for you. You need to try this on your own. All three parts. Find best response of both players, dominant strategy if any, Nash equilibrium. Just try this, okay? Okay, beta. Thank you.